In 2020, Elon Musk sold every house he owned and moved into a prefabricated box the size of a studio apartment near a SpaceX launch site in Texas. The richest man on Earth was living in a home that cost $50,000 and publicly celebrating it. 4 years later, a concept called the Tesla Tiny House is circulating across every major social media platform. A fully functional smart home, solar-powered, self-sustaining, delivered to your door in hours for $7,999. The claims are extraordinary, and Tesla has not confirmed a single one of them. But here's the part that makes this story worth telling. Almost every piece of technology being described in connection with this concept is something Tesla already builds and sells. The solar panels are real. The battery system is real. The automated factory model is real. The prefabricated modular home Musk himself lived in is real. So what exactly is the Tesla Tiny House? And why has it captured the attention of hundreds of millions of people who cannot afford to buy a conventional home? Today we are going inside all of it. Where this started. Musk's relationship with unconventional housing did not begin with a viral concept. It began with a decision he made publicly in May 2020. That month, Musk posted on X that he was selling almost all of his physical possessions and would own no house. He followed through. 7 properties across California, including 4 houses in Bel Air, sold together for $84.1 million. A 16,000 square foot Hillsborough mansion sold for $32 million. And a ranch house in Boca Chica were all offloaded over the following 18 months. The total value of the portfolio he sold was approximately $130 million. His replacement primary residence was a Boxabl casita, a 375 square foot prefabricated modular home manufactured in Las Vegas and delivered to his location near SpaceX's Starbase facility in Boca Chica, Texas. The home cost approximately $50,000 and could be set up in hours. It included a fully functional kitchen, bathroom, and living space in a compact footprint that folded flat for delivery and unfolded on site. Musk lived in it, publicly, by choice, and the moment that story broke, it ignited a global conversation about whether a genuinely affordable, genuinely functional home was actually possible at a price point that ordinary people could access. That conversation is what the Tesla Tiny House concept was born from. What is being claimed? The concept circulating under the name Tesla Tiny House describes a modular prefabricated home priced at approximately $7,999. The structure is described as approximately 280 square feet, or roughly 26 square meters, delivered fully assembled on a truck and installed on site in under 2 hours without any traditional construction process. Inside that footprint, the home allegedly includes a kitchen, a bathroom, a sleeping area, and a living space, all designed around the principle that every square meter must serve a specific function. Murphy beds fold into walls. Modular sofas contain hidden storage. Dining tables fold down when needed. Shelving runs vertically to maximize usable space. The design is not about making a small home feel big. It is about making every part of the home work harder than it would in a conventional build. The energy system described is built around solar panels capable of generating between 5 and 10 kilowatts of electricity, stored in a battery with a capacity of approximately 13.5 kilowatt hours, equivalent to a single Tesla Powerwall unit. An intelligent energy management system monitors and optimizes electricity usage in real time, automatically adjusting lighting, heating, cooling, and appliances based on usage patterns. In ideal conditions, the system is capable of reducing grid dependence by up to 80 to 100%. The manufacturing process described draws directly from Tesla's Gigafactory model. Robots weld steel frames with millimeter-level precision. Automated assembly lines shape insulated wall and roof panels. Pre-built living modules slide into the structure like components in a vehicle assembly line. The claim is that Tesla's existing factory capacity, which produced approximately 1.77 million vehicles in 2024, could be partially redirected to produce modular homes at a cost and speed that traditional construction cannot match. The modular design system being described adds another dimension to the concept that goes beyond the initial purchase. Unlike a conventional home that is fixed in size once built, a modular system is designed like a building block. If a person needs more space in the future, they do not move or rebuild. They attach an additional module to the existing structure. A single person today could add a bedroom when they start a family. A family could add a living space when elderly parents need to move in. The home adapts rather than forcing its occupants to uproot themselves every time their circumstances change. This flexibility addresses one of the most expensive hidden costs of conventional homeownership, which is the cost of moving. The average American moves approximately 11 times in their lifetime. Each move involves real estate agent fees, legal costs, removal expenses, and the transaction costs of buying and selling property, which together can consume tens of thousands of dollars per move. A modular home that expands rather than requires replacement eliminates that cost almost entirely. The home you buy at 25 is the home you retire in, just larger. That single feature changes the long-term economics of the concept more dramatically than the purchase price alone. What is actually real? The Tesla tiny house as a confirmed product is not real, but the technology it describes is entirely real, and most of it is already available commercially through Tesla's existing product line. Tesla solar panels are available now. The Tesla Powerwall, with its 13.5 kilowatt-hour storage capacity, is available now. The intelligent energy management software that monitors and optimizes home energy usage in real time is operating in homes around the world right now. Tesla's Gigafactory manufacturing model, which uses robotics and automated assembly lines to produce complex products at unprecedented scale and cost efficiency, is operating right now in Nevada, Texas, and Shanghai. The Boxabl casita, the closest real-world equivalent to what the Tesla tiny house concept describes, is a confirmed product already in production in Las Vegas at a price of approximately $50,000. It includes a fully functional kitchen, bathroom, and living space in a 375 square foot footprint and can be set up in hours. Elon Musk lived in one. That is documented and confirmed. In 2017, Tesla actually did build a physical Tesla tiny house and tour it across Australia. It was towed behind a Tesla vehicle and designed to demonstrate the company's solar panel and Powerwall technology in a compact living environment. It was a marketing demonstration rather than a commercial housing product, but it confirmed that Tesla had, at minimum, considered and physically constructed the concept. The gap between what exists and what the viral concept claims is therefore not as wide as it might first appear. The individual technologies are real. The manufacturing model is real. The prefabricated modular home category is real and growing. What does not yet exist is the combination of all of them into a single product at a $7,999 price point. Why the demand is real even if the product is not. The reason the Tesla tiny house concept has got the interest of millions of people is because the housing crisis across the developed world has created a level of demand for affordable housing solutions that the traditional construction industry is nowhere close to meeting. The median home price in the United States reached $412,300 in 2026. In most major cities around the world, that figure is significantly higher. An entire generation of people in their 20s and 30s is locked out of conventional homeownership not because they are financially irresponsible, but because the numbers simply do not work at any reasonable income level. At the same time, the tiny home market has grown 50% since 2018, driven by millennials, retirees, and people in disaster-prone communities looking for alternatives to the conventional housing model. Prefabricated and modular housing production reduces construction time by 30 to 60% compared to on-site building methods. The structural case for factory-built homes is well established and the market for them is accelerating. Natural disasters are adding a further dimension to the demand. The 2023 Maui wildfires destroyed 2,200 buildings and left 4,500 people homeless. Hurricane Beryl caused $10 billion in damage across Texas and Louisiana in 2024. The early 2025 California floods demolished 12,000 homes in a single month. Each of these events creates an immediate demand for rapidly deployable, affordable, and resilient housing that the conventional construction industry takes months or years to address. What comes next? The conventional housing industry is one of the least technologically disrupted major industries on Earth. The basic process of building a home, pouring a foundation, erecting a frame, adding utilities, finishing the interior has not changed fundamentally in decades. The average construction timeline in the United States remains between 6 months and 2 years. The average cost continues to rise faster than inflation every year. Tesla's manufacturing philosophy is built entirely around the idea that any complex product can be made faster, cheaper, and more consistently if you move production into a controlled factory environment and replace human labor with robotics and automation wherever possible. That philosophy transformed electric vehicles from an expensive niche product into the fastest growing segment of the global automotive market. The numbers tell that story precisely. In 2008, a Tesla Roadster cost $109,000 and was considered a luxury toy for early technology adopters. By 2024, Tesla was selling the Model 3 for under $40,000 and had forced every major automaker on Earth, from Toyota to Volkswagen to General Motors, to retool their entire production strategy around electric vehicles. The cost reduction happened not because Tesla discovered new physics, but because factory scale, automation, and manufacturing efficiency drove the price down year after year until the product became accessible to a mass market. If the same cost reduction curve applied to modular housing, the implications are extraordinary. Boxabl is currently producing its Casita at $50,000. If factory scale and automation drove that price down at the same rate Tesla drove down the cost of a battery pack, a modular home could reach price points within a decade that make the $7,999 claim feel less like a fantasy and more like an early estimate. Companies like Boxabl are already proving the model works at the $50,000 price point. The question of whether it can be pushed further is an engineering and economics question rather than a conceptual one. The answer depends on scale, manufacturing efficiency, materials costs, and regulatory frameworks that currently make prefabricated housing harder to deploy than conventional construction in many jurisdictions. The land question is the one that the viral concept raises most provocatively. Several versions of the Tesla tiny house claim mention free or heavily subsidized land offered in areas chosen by the company. That detail sounds like pure invention until you look at what has actually happened in parts of the United States over the past 2 decades. Kansas has offered free land to attract new residents through programs in multiple counties since the early 2000s. Iowa has offered land grants and tax incentives to people willing to build in rural areas facing depopulation. The state of Alaska pays residents an annual dividend simply for living there. Several municipalities across the Midwest have offered free building plots to anyone willing to construct a home and commit to residency for a minimum period. The precedent for land incentive programs tied to affordable housing exists and is documented. Whether Tesla or any company could negotiate similar arrangements at scale, perhaps in exchange for deploying modular housing communities in areas with acute housing shortages, is a question worth asking rather than dismissing. The $7,999 Tesla tiny house does not officially exist, but the solar panels do. The battery does. The prefabricated modular home Elon Musk himself chose to live in does. The man associated with this concept has a documented history of being told something is impossible and then building it anyway. The demand is real, and that demand is not going away. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a story like this one.